How to activate ANZ credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys on activating your ANZ credit card online. So follow the steps provided. First of all, you have to open any web browser and go to and type in ANZ Bank in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then from the various results, you are supposed to click on the official website of ANZ, that is indicating the anz.com.au. Once you click on it, you will be landed to their official homepage where you can find the option of login in the top right corner of the screen highlighted in blue color. Click on it and then you will be landed to the login portal where you have to enter your customer registration number followed by your password. Once you enter the correct form of your credentials, you can simply click on the login button in order to successfully log into your account. But in the case if you have forgotten your login details, you can click on this link of forgot login details over here in order to retrieve or reset your password. And if you're new to the internet banking, you can simply click on the register link over here in order to become a member of ANZ Bank. Talking about activating your card, in order to activate a new card in the ANZ app, you're supposed to go to the ANZ app first, like the way I taught you just now. Just log into your account and then tap on more on the account screen and choose to activate card and follow the screen prompts. You can also activate a debit or credit card in the ANZ app by scanning it with your camera or by entering your card number directly. You'll also be able to set your eligible card PIN at the same time, so no need to wait for your card PIN in the mail. And talking about activating your new card in the internet banking, you have to first of all log into your internet banking and then go to the settings menu and select activate card and follow the screen prompts. For ANZ credit cards, if you are a primary card holder and you wish to activate the cards of all the additional card holders, you can select the activate cards for all the additional card holders once the card has been received by the card holder. So you have to ensure that they have completed the customer identification process first. So this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.